Hi everyone, in this video we will discuss about the etiology of renal calculi or the renal stone. So first of all you have to remember the mnemonic HIDE. So H is for the hyperparathyroidism. If the concentration of parathyroid hormone is high, it can cause the renal calculi. The another H is the hypervitaminosis or the vitamin D. If the concentration of vitamin D or vitamin supplements are taken in higher amount, it can cause the renal calculi. Third H is the hypercalciuria. If the concentration of calcium is high in the urine, it can cause the renal calculi. The next one is I. I is the infection. It can cause the Stackhorn stones. Different urease producing bacteria can cause the renal calculi. The next I is the inadequate urine drainage. It can cause the renal stones. First D is the diet. If the diet containing the different renal stones causes, so it can cause the renal stones. Next D is the dehydration. If the water concentration is less in the body, it can cause the renal stones. Second and third D is the decreased urinary citrates. It can cause the renal calculi. The last one is E. E is the E. coli. It can cause the infections, most likely the Stackhorn calculi. So this is all about the mnemonic for the etiology of renal calculi. I hope you have liked this video. If you have understand it, please share it to your friends. And if you have any question, you can comment below. And if you have not subscribed our channel, subscribe it. And thanks for watching.